Improved Parting Line Tool. In ZW3D 2019, users can use parting line function to specify multi-regions. Parting lines can easily separate the model into different regions, including cavity and core. Parting line tools are grouped in one command to optimize the workflow. For this case, pick the edges to directly define the parting lines. Parting lines are displayed in bold so that users can see them clearly. In the new version, users can use parting lines to define regions. First, specify the seed face for cavity and core. Then, cavity, core, and other regions are automatically created. This tool will help users to quickly part the mold for either single cavity or multi-cavities.